all of you. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create candy lips. They are fun, great for a gag, and easy to do. All we need is, of course, lips, sprinkles. I choose colorful ones, a flat plate, some honey, and a teaspoon. Now we can start. Add some sprinkles on a plate. Coat the back of the teaspoon in honey. Apply the honey on your lips as it were a lip gloss. Then press your lips on the plate a few seconds. With a cotton swab, you can shape and remove excessive candy. It takes only a few minutes and you're done. This candy lip tutorial is just for fun and entertainment purpose. I wish you a lot of fun with this sweet makeup. See you in my next video.